Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember, check out the membership section. Cause yo, me have some perks in it. You understand? Yo, me have certain perks where you can get a direct link for me through email and we can communicate. And yeah, and another perks one can even get my number and we can talk and we can even do a story together straight up. But let's go. That youth here, me hear some things from him and it's a short, small video, but I want to talk about him a little and tell you now when me here. As you all know, Bigga crime, him wanted and him get on the run. Now, whole heap of things him do a Bull Bay and 11 miles and them thing there in a St. Thomas. Like me say, me have a problem with the Jamaican police because them not really sure probable cause and evidence. Them just come out and talk. But I notice me nah hear nothing about that youth here. So me I say like him drop off of the map. Because, like me say, this youth, him a go fight to the end. So when the police them meet up with him a go make sure know say yo, him go down trying. Cause you see all the gorilla like stuff for them find freedom fighter and gun with them did fine. Well, I hear through the grapevine a good reliable source saying that Bigga crime want them to listen to me now. Bigga crime either leave the island or he's about to leave the island to go to a small island. So the police need to check on that. You understand? I heard through the grapevine Bigga crime cut or he's about to cut because him have people who are support him. You know say yo, him giddy cause them a try scamming, them a try this, them a try that, but he does have some support from people in and around the community. Why? I don't know. That's what the source said to me. So, yo, Bigga crime, he might be out of the island, but if he's not, he is on his way to get out of there, just like Shabdan. So I just want to bring that update that came across my grapevine and make the people them know. But them need to find a youth here, yo. One more thing before I go. I have some more video coming up on Belize and Trinidad again and Jamaica and other places like St. Kitts, Curacao. From doing these videos, my African fest, me never know said there was such a big gang problem throughout the Caribbean. Even much the world, but like the Caribbean. And the violence and the threat to statehood that these guys possess. Look at Haiti. So yeah, Bigga crime, I forget rid of you. And we must hands it off to the Jamaican police because throughout the Caribbean, it seems like them are the leader for fighting transnational gang. And would I love to see Jamaica step it up like Caribbean world power. Sending the army in some of them country. But clean it up, yo. And anywhere a boy they go film, a son if you do it. Like how America do it and Israel and them place there, yo. But Bigga crime, me here say him about for cut. If not, him cut already. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. You understand? I'm out.